This segment of Coast Life is sponsored by Kids Catch.
Well, CoastLife, we've been out here on the beach enjoying the beautiful day before us and doing a little bit of painting because we've been celebrating Artists Paint OC, which is coming up this weekend with the Art League of Ocean City. But it is a Monday, and that means we gotta have a joke jar for you. So our field correspondent, Kendall Gordon, is out and about, so let's see how you do.
Thanks, Leah and Charlie. I'm taking our joke jar on the road to Rehoboth Beach. That's where I am right now. We're gonna tell some jokes to brighten up your day, brighten up your mood, and put a smile on your face, or maybe an eye roll, we'll see. So why did the hairdresser win the race?
I have no idea. I don't know.
He knew a shortcut. Yeah. This one is actually kind of funny, I'm not gonna lie. Ready? What did one hat say to the other? I don't know. Take a guess.
I like your top.
Oh, I like that. That's good. But it's actually, you stay here, I'll go on ahead.
Daddy would like that one, right?
What did one wall say to the other?
I don't know. Nice to meet you. I don't know.
We're getting close there. It's actually, I'll meet you at the corner. Yeah.
Okay.
How did the picture end up in prison?
He was framed.
Oh, you got it. Correct. What tree can fit in your hands?
Oh, I have one. Palm tree.
Yes! Oh my gosh, she got it! Great job! How do trees get online?
They log in.
Yes, they log on! She got it right! Yay! Why did the bullet lose its job?
They got fired.
Oh my gosh, you guys are good at this. Why are ghosts bad liars?
You can see right through them.
Yes! Good job! Oh my gosh, people are nailing our joke jars today, guys. What does a house wear?
I have no idea. A roof.
Close. Good answer.
Shingles?
Oh, good answer.
Close.
I like that guess, but it's actually a dress. A dress.
Oh, yeah.
See what I did?
Yeah.
How did the art competition end?
How did the art competition end?
Any guesses?
In a draw.
Yes! Oh my gosh, that's so good. Come on. The jokes weren't that bad, guys. They weren't that bad. I actually thought a couple of them were funny and a lot of people were actually getting them. I'm surprised. But great job to you guys. Let's also check in on Leah and Charlie. Are you guys still painting? How are they coming along?
Well, funny you should ask us that, Kendall, because our paintings, they are completed.
Do you want to go first here, Leah? Yours looks incredible, by the way.
Well, thank you. I don't know about that, but it is the best seascape that I think I've ever painted to date. It's a little greener than I expected it to be. But I think I nailed the waves a little bit better than I typically have. Now, Charlie, you got a little...
You went kind of, you did use acrylics here, but you went with a lot of water. It has more of like a watercolor vibe to it, the way it came out. I went full force with the paint.
But I love it.
So this is what I got here.
Because it feels very impressionist. I know you are an impressionist painting kind of guy.
I added a little sand.
And I love that you threw the sand
toss a
in.
little sand on there. So this is what we got. This is what we came up with here out on the beach today.
I love it. So I think if you are, heading to Ocean City this weekend and you see a bunch of artists out and about, make sure you tell them what a great job they're doing. It's great for their self-esteem. But
and
also,
it's intimidating a little bit to paint with people all around.
When you have an audience, I'm like, oh no, I don't know that I like this. So be a part of it and enjoy your time out in Ocean City, and maybe consider hitting up the wet paint sale. That's going to be Saturday and Sunday as well at the Art League on 94th Street. And maybe you can walk away with something really special, really unique, and something very Ocean City. Or if you like to paint yourself, make sure you get outside and do some painting, because it's really fun. Highly recommend. But we gotta send Charlie back to the studio. Get out of here. We still have a teeny bit more Coast Life coming your way though when we get back.